Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. What I have here in the closet that I absolutely love are the tie organizers. These are from FTUREERA and these are made from 100% bamboo. A few of my favorite features are the fact that these can be mounted on the wall, or you can simply put them in a drawer, or how I have them right here on my shelf. And these fit all different size ties, and as you can see here, there are a lot of different materials, thickness to all of these different ties, and the compartments fit them perfectly. And I could easily put this up on the wall and they're not going to fall out. But we recently redid our entire closet, so we have this really nice shelf here made specifically for ties and belts and things like that. This is in a solid white color. It's absolutely beautiful. They are very heavy, and as you can see here, they have the holes in the back to go ahead and hang them on the wall if you decide to do that. These are perfect also for belts, or for ladies if you want to go ahead and put some undergarments in these. That would be a perfect organizing feature. From hair accessories to makeup, really so many different uses for these. But for us, these work perfectly for my husband's ties, and I also really like them for my belts. It's easy to grab one in here, pull it out, and then we simply roll it up like this, and we just put it right back in. So I would recommend this. This is 10 out of 10. It's a great product. It's quality. It's going to last you a long time, and you can always switch it up if you decide to take it out of your drawer or your shelf, put it on the wall. There are so many different uses for these, but that's just my point of view.